split it one more time because we're gonna clean up all the little hairs.
Okay. That dragon's butter is so nice.
It's wonderful.
It's the smell.
Yeah, I need to find that guy again because I don't know if that was really his store because he was just there and telling me because he seen me looking and then, you know, I was lost. I didn't know.
He was helping out.
Yeah, because it's in the section where it's like if you don't know Arabic or it's not, it don't have to be Arabic. It's whatever Indian language. Was it Farsi? No, it's not. Hindi. Jesus. No, something. Yeah, so if you don't speak Hindi, then you lost. And all the herbs
especially in that type of store. If it was an original.
Labeled. Right. Oh, it is. Like everything's labeled differently. If you don't know what they're talking about,
You'd be lost in the world.
Yep. And I was. He see me. He's like, can I help you, my friend? It's always my friend. If you think about it, yeah, they culture is always friendly, and then we fuck it up. Americans. Well, that's what we friendly too, you know.
Yeah, but it's a difference. It's definitely a difference.
Okay, it's gonna be a little runny. I apologize in advance.
Okay.
And it just polishes and gets off all the little hairs, and it has, like I said, the antiseptic properties, antibacterial, antimicrobial. Powers of the aromatherapy goes underneath the skin and heals within. Good stuff. People only do 1 or 2 cleanses in the beginning and that's it. I'm like, no, you should be cleansing whenever you feel like you need to get something off the face.
Right, and I can feel my skin is so clear. Like, oh my God. I can definitely feel the difference.
Electric shaver. This is just a bigger shaver.
Okay.
It sounds scary. Sounds like the Terminator.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, the rain. So, and that's with the silver side. They got, man. Sorry about that. That was my fault. Well, from this side, I'm not gonna go on this side.
Feels clean. Oh, unknown number.
I thought they had a control over that for a minute. They were doing good, and then all of a sudden,
they're right back to
right. I'm like, wait a minute, y'all. I first got my little iPhone and or the new one, the 12, and I was so happy.
Because you could see the scam likely.
Real quick, but now it's like they getting through more and more every day.
And be acting like they know you.
Right.
I get on the phone, but hey, B, what?
Right.
What? Who are you?
Extended warranties on cars and something. What? How do you even know what car I drive?
Exactly.
I really don't understand. I'm like, what? How do you know I drive a Chevy? Like, how do you know? I don't even know you, but you know me.
They selling information.
Yes, they are. And they do be getting people, because, you know, like, my stepfather's one of them. He will buy weird shit off the internet, or if you send him an email, he opens every day. I'm like, Riley, if you don't know these people, you really gotta trust.
Right, you can't just be answering them.
Yeah, you're opening links that could be bugged or boot. If it's something I don't know, And now he has virus scans and all stuff on the computer. Yeah, he has like one of the best stuff. But even then, I'm like, no, man. There's always some shit with him. Stop playing around.
Right, don't be letting them people get you like that.
Right, I'm like, dude, do you realize I graduated last year, 2020, with a cybersecurity degree? I can tell you.
Come through.
You're opening shit all the time.
That you will set yourself up for.
Yeah, you're like, oh, well, I had to go into my spam box for what? Spam is spam for a reason. Like, we don't need to be opening that. Have you ever looked at your spam stuff?
No.
I be getting porno stuff.
I don't even open it. I be scared to even look in it.
It's so much stuff in there. I'm like, thank God we have the filter.
Right.
There's stuff in there. I'm like, man, I would never sign up for some shit like this. What do I need with the time shit? What do I need with this real estate scam, pyramid scheme? Just all type of stuff in my inbox. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, they be sending everything. But I like the new feature that Google has now where they'll ask you, if you don't open it within a certain amount of time, they'll say, do you want to stop getting mail from these people?
Good, okay. Good.
So that's a pretty good option. Because when I seen it, they were like, do you want to unsubscribe or do you want to just stop getting from this person? I'm like, oh, most definitely. Stop all of it.
Thank you. Thank you. Where's my moisturizer? It's just moisturizer.
Okay. I gotta get a mirror in here too. I forgot about that part, like the face mirror.
Yeah. I usually just use my cell phone because I'm on mobile.
Okay.
I can barely.
Oh yeah, true.
Carry one.
That makes sense.
put a little bit too much hyaluronic acid.
That's alright.
We are done. We made it.
Thank you.
No problem.
It's pretty cool laying on the table.
But we've been laying on it for a while, so
But it's comfortable.
Yeah.